Assalamualaikum and good morning, Trigonometric students. So today we will continue our lesson in chapter 5, trigonometric ratios, and we will finish our last part in this chapter. Okay, so today you will learn solving problems involving sine, cosine and tangent. Right, so look at the example. Okay, example 15. Okay, this is from your textbook, page 122. Okay, the diagram on the right shows a ladder leaning against a wall. It forms a right angle triangle PQR. If the height of QR is 2.5 meter, calculate the length of the ladder PR in meters. State the answer correct to 2 decimal places. Okay, so you look back at the question, you find the important points. Okay, so the first is it is right angle triangle, that's why you have the 90 degrees here, and then the height of QR is 2.5 meter. Okay, so you write there length of QR is 2.5 meter. Okay, and then the question asks you to find the length of PR. Okay, so PR, okay, you must find this length. Okay, and this length is hypotenuse. How you know hypotenuse? Because the side is opposite with the 90 degrees angle. Okay, so we call it hypotenuse. Okay, what about 2.5? Okay, is it opposite or adjacent? So to find it, you look at the angle. Our angle here is 50 degrees. Okay, so opposite 50 degrees we call opposite side. Okay, so now it involves two sides, which is O and H. So remember back our formula, our trigonometric formula. So ka towa. So only sign that involve O and H. So we use sign. Okay. So to solve this problem, so you write the sine. Okay, sine what? Sine 50. Okay, because the angle given is 50 degrees. So sine 50 is equals to opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, so you write back sine 50 degrees. Okay, so the opposite is 2.5 meter. You write here 2.5 meter, and the hypotenuse, okay, the hypotenuse is PR. Okay, is the PR that you want to find. So you write there PR. Okay, so to find this PR, you can exchange the quantity here. Okay, so PR you write as the subject. So 2.5 divided by sine 50 degrees. So you can use calculator, okay, and you will get the length of PR equals to 3.26 meter. Remember, the question asks you to state the answer correct to 2 decimal places. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, next we have example 16. Okay, also from your textbook on page 122. Okay, so the diagram on the right shows a cuboid A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. It is given that BC is 8 cm, CH is 5 cm, and the height of HE is 4 cm. If right angle triangle FGC is formed in this cuboid, calculate the value of the angle of FCG. Alright, so we look at the question back. Alright, if a right angle triangle FGC is formed, okay, so you must take out the right angle triangle of FGC. So you take out this triangle. Okay, so I draw here. Okay, alright, so this is F, this is G, and this is C. Okay, this is 90 degrees. Okay, because it mentioned right angle triangle. And then find the value of angle of FCG. Okay, so the FCG, so C in the middle, meaning the angle is here. So we put theta. Okay, theta is our angle. Okay, so let's put the measurement. Okay, FG. So FG here, FG is equals to EH, right? So 4 cm. So it is 4 cm here. Okay, so we need one more side. Okay, in trigonometric ratios, we need two sides. Okay, to calculate the angle. So we have a 4 cm here. So look at the question back, the diagram. Okay, we have the value for this part. Okay, look at the base. Okay, we have 8 and 5. okay, at the rectangle here, so we can find the GC. Okay, 5, CH is 5, meaning BG also 5, so this is 5, yeah. Okay, look at this side, BG, and the BC. Okay, it's like this, 5 and 8, and this is our GC, right? Okay, GC is here. Okay, so GC is our hypotenuse in this picture. Okay, H is the hypotenuse, GC is hypotenuse for 5 and 8. So remember the formula of hypotenuse to find the hypotenuse using the Pythagoras theorem. So to find this hypotenuse or to find the GC, okay, so GC equals to, remember the formula, 5 square plus 8 square and then we square root 8. Okay, after you use calculator, you will get 89. Okay, so you put here 89. Okay, square root of 89. Okay, square root of 89. Okay, so to find this angle, okay, which trigonometric ratios that we're going to use? Sine, cos, or tangent. Okay, so look at this right angle triangle. Okay, so 4 cm is the what? This is our angle, and opposite it is opposite, right? So this is opposite side, 4 is opposite side, and the square root of 89 is adjacent. Okay, because this side is next to the angle, and between angle and 90 degrees, so we call adjacent side. Okay, hypotenuse is opposite with the 90 degrees, right? So we don't use hypotenuse in this diagram. We use adjacent and opposite. So we use what? Tangent. Okay, TOA. Okay, so tangent theta. Okay, theta is our FCG you want to find, equals to opposite over adjacent. Okay, so tangent theta equals to, the opposite is 4, the adjacent is square root of 89. Alright, so to find the theta, remember to find the theta. Okay, I already taught you last week about this in the previous lesson. Okay, so the tangent, you move to this side, it becomes arctangent. Okay, so in calculator you press shift and then tangent. Okay, and then you press this number. So to find the answer, you press shift and then press tangent, and then in the bracket you press 4 divided by square root of 89. So you will get the answer 22.98 degrees. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, you can convert it to a minute also, but normally we use degrees. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, so we have finished our lesson today. Okay, so for the exercise today, okay, you do the exercise in your workbook, simulasi buku 1, page 37 to page 41. Okay, so please do the exercise. If you don't understand any of the question, you can telegram me. Okay, and then I will help you. Alright, okay, thank you, bye.